Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Kalado Cordless Hoover Vacuum Cleaner with 26,000 Pascal of suction power. It's a stick vacuum with a runtime of 40 minutes, with a rechargeable battery and 80,000 rounds per minute suction power brushless motor. It's a 6-in-1 lightweight vacuum for pet, hair, carpet, floor, car, camper, and for your van. And of course, for every other devices which need, or places and surfaces which need a little bit clean out. The Kalado Cordless Vacuum Cleaner uses an 80,000 RPM ultra high speed BLDC brushless motor that can switch between 3 modes. Low with 12 kilopascal, 40 minutes of runtime. Medium, 18 kilopascal, 20 minutes of runtime. And high setup with 26 kilopascal, 14 minutes of runtime. We have 2,200 milliampere hour batteries, which can be removed and charged separately. Of course, it's a battery pack out of 7. Yeah, it's only one battery which is included, but you can buy additional batteries, also be purchased to increase the use time of the vacuum cleaner. This is an ideal for single apartments, for pet families, for RV travel and camper and van. And we have the dust entering the vacuum cleaner will pass through a 5-layer of filter system. 100% of fine particles will be filtered out, and 95% of ultrafine particles will filter out. They will be left in the filter for our home purifies the air and removes the dust pollutions. In addition, the 1.5-liter dust cup realizes a one-click emptying of the garbage, completely say goodbye to the dust. The Kalado vacuum cleaner storage no longer needs to destroy your wall because of a wall box or something else. It can stand anywhere. In addition, it is lightweight, 5.51 pound, and equipped with multiple brushes, which can be assembled with telescopic rods to clean floors, carpets, stairs, cars, office, and 13s. This goddamn vacuum will be a great cleaning assistant at home. The floor brush can be rotated between 90 degrees and 140 degrees. And the light design is very suitable for cleaning debris, dust, pet hair in the dark. The LED display shows the section power, the brush stack alert, and the dust cup overfill alarm too. You can see you have the information what you need while you use this vacuum cleaner. Kalado means they are expert in appliance of cleaning, dedicated to a quality life with ease. They believe that finding joy in cleaning enhances every aspect of life. Choose Kalado to revolutionize our cleaning routine, maximize the efficiency, and reclaim the valuable time for cherished moments with our loved ones. Self-standing design for convenience. Large 1.5-liter dust capacity for easy disposal. And it's a 6-in-1 versatile accessories. 12 up to 26 kilopascal you can choose from. 3-speed section, rotatable brush, 40 minutes of runtime, detachable battery, lightweight and low noise, 5-layer filtration. It comes with washable filters, and it makes a good job. The Kalado KC-V01 Cordless Hoover Vacuum Cleaner makes cleaning every corner simple, easy clean, quality life, baby. And the big thing is behind it, it's a 5-layer filtration for strong cleaning. It can effectively absorb 99.8% of dust, less than 0.3 micrometer, and it is suitable for a single apartment. No prop. And to clean the dust compartment, push the button on the front side. Open the gates to remove the dust into the dust bin. Second step is remove the filter system and wash it up under floating water. Step number 3 is let it dry under direct sunlight. And step number 4, we align the bayonet B with the bayonet and then we rotate it clockwise. Job's done. It is reinstalled. Then we have a stretch designed for back pain relief. Users of different heights can get the most comfortable experience without worrying about the waist fetish. Because from 92 cm up to 112 cm, no prop to adjust it. And with one-click dust release, that means no dust spillage. The Kalado Cordless Vacuum Dust Cup has a large capacity of 1.5 liters. No need to carry around bags for garbage anymore. This making cleaning more convenient. We have here the Kalado V-shaped anti-tank roller brush. We have a stand independently storage and lightweight vacuum cleaner with a durable motor. 65 decibel noise, 10,000 hours service life, and 80,000 RPM rotation speed. And we have multi-accessory tools included. Easy to disassemble, install and clean. This can replace a variety of brush heads in once. This is the really cool Kalado Cordless Hoover Vacuum Cleaner with 26,000 Pascal suction power. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.